sila dito. Balikan namin kayo, Bloom, sa... Yes, pero before anything, pwede po ba kaming makahingi ng group fee with you?
You're so cute.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba natin pailaw? Yes, para makita yung mga nasa likod. If may mga light sticks kayo or lights ng phone, pwede nyo itaas.
Guys, it's so nice.
Wait, since it's so pretty, can I ask for a photo with everyone all together? Yeah?
Yes.
I don't think. Yeah!
Yung pini nila.
Beanie. Okay. For our next song, let me just tell you it's a song about having to work hard. You have to go through pressure to be able to
Performs because there are still 2 songs of that EP na we haven't performed. Yes, and wait lang. May pinost kasi tayo kahapon. May pinost tayo na Zero Pressure. Meron kaming special single na ilalabas! Actually, may mga nakahula na eh. Nakikita mo yun, may mga nakapag-edit na. So, abangan niyo yan, Blooms. Madami kaming
Tonight, kasi grabe, you have so much energy here and we just want to keep coming back. But also, we know that ang dami mga kababayans natin dito, ang dami mga OFWs na for sure, I feel like na-miss you din yung Pilipinas, you miss home, but well, that's why we're here because don't worry guys, through our performances, we're gonna give you the feeling of home.